Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the Rinse Ult Azure Latch. Power the unit and put it in neutral so the actuator is free to move. Once done, mix your rinse solution at the precise 1:50 dilution and place a soft applicator within reach. Make sure the latch hinge is clear of dust and aligned with its catch. This prevents binding. You'll be performing the first mechanical engagement now, so keep your hands steady and observe LED cues for correct starting state. Now you engage the mechanism. Depress the latch gently while positioning the applicator against the inlet port, which ensures proper seal and flow. Then activate the rinse cycle with 3 short presses followed by a sustained hold until the green LED blinks. This sequence primes the internal valve. While the cycle runs, monitor the pressure gauge and maintain 0.5 to 1.2 bar to avoid cavitation. If flow feels uneven, pause briefly, complete the process by releasing the hold and letting the latch return slowly. Confirm the LED is a steady green to indicate a successful cycle. Once done, wipe away excess solution, re-inspect the seals for any wear, and store the applicator upright to avoid contamination. If you encounter no flow or a red LED, power cycle the unit for 10 seconds, then repeat the cycle once. This clears minor faults. If the problem persists, check alignment and seal seating before assuming a deeper service issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.